You don't need to download anything or set up a complicated environment to run JavaScript. In fact, you can write and run your first JavaScript code right now using nothing but your browser. Welcome to episode 2 of my series, JavaScript to React Mastery, where I'll teach you everything you need to know to build your own website, step by step. So, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Today, you'll learn how to run JavaScript programs in 3 different ways, and I'll show you a small bonus trick that even beginners usually miss. You don't necessarily need to download anything to run JS code. Just your browser is enough to get started. So open any browser of your choice and right-click to open the Inspect tab. Now you will see a lot of tab and options, but don't worry, we will be using just the console window for now. Here, we can write our JavaScript code. For today's video, I will just be writing a simple log statement that is used to print any message in JavaScript. As you can see, the message that we passed to this log function got printed on the console. This is your very first JavaScript program of printing text to the console. Now, let's move one step forward. You can also run JavaScript inside a web page using a script tag. So, if you have an existing HTML file, you can use that or create one like this. First, you need to add a script tag, and inside that, you can write your JS code. Here, I am writing 2 statements. First, to print a statement to the console, and second, to show an alert window. Now, save this file with a.html extension. You can name it as index.html or any name of your choice. Now, open this HTML file in your browser, and here is your alert. Now, when you open your console window in the Inspect tab, you can see the statement you wrote inside the double quotes. If you want a slightly cleaner and more professional setup, we can use VS Code. Good news, we're still not installing anything heavy. If you don't have VS Code installed on your machine, I have provided the steps in the description box below. First, create a folder which will contain your JavaScript file. Then, open the VS Code window. Inside your VS Code menu, click on File. Select Open Folder and choose the folder you just created. You will see a new file icon next to your folder structure, so click on that and give that file some meaningful name like this. Here, I am writing just a simple log statement, but you can write whatever JavaScript logic you want. Save it. Now, you might think, how do I run JavaScript from here? So, you need to first attach this JS file to your HTML file that you just created. In the script tag, specify the source of the JS file inside the folder like this. Now, you already had to run a HTML file and see console, so do that, and you will see your log statement in the console and also your script file. Here's a bonus tip. Turn on auto-save in VS Code. Beginners often forget to save their file before running the code and think they made a mistake. Autosave solves this instantly. Enable autosave in the settings like this. You can customize your autosave behavior and the delay. After enabling, see the changes getting saved instantly. In the next episode, we'll start learning the basics of JavaScript, variables, data types, and how to store information in your program. If you're excited, hit subscribe and comment "Episode 3 ready" below. I'll see you in episode 3.